Today we will be going over the filter by number range node. The filter by number range node filters a particular inputted numerical column based on an inputted maximum and minimum value. In this workflow, we have a CSV file containing information regarding the iris plant. This information has 4 double type columns and 1 string type column. If we can see in the first column, some of the values are greater than 5, but most of the values are less than 4. So we want to filter out the values that are greater than 5. Doing this, we input column C0 as the input column name. We put 5 as the lowest value, and we put 6 as the highest value. When we execute this workflow, we see the expected result at the bottom of the results tab.